represent the views of this cable. This is my show. Represent the views of this cable.
My eyes are bloodshot. I haven't slept. My adrenaline's pumping. Today begins the day. Today begins the process by which we find out how much horsepower the GT4 is putting to the rear wheels. Over to Eddie, Addiction Motorsports. Eddie is our tuner for our beloved Boss 302, and he has allowed us to use his Dyno Jet rollers to do a remote tune with Fabspeed. I discussed in our previous video that the GT4 in third gear hits really ridiculous speeds, well over 110 miles an hour. And really, we don't want to remote tune anywhere locally because it's going to give us a chance to find out how much horsepower the GT4 is putting to the rear wheels. Zinc cream. So if I hide my blemishes and pimples, it'll actually make me look older, because if I show my blemishes and pimples, people will think I'm younger. I don't know. It's makeup.
Freeway on-ramps are the best. Wow, this thing just sticks. It just sticks. Woo! The valves are closed there. The thing is loud. Woo! I parked like an absolute moron, but I'll show you some of the cars he's working on out here. This is great. Here's Eddie's GT500. Wow. You know he's gonna squeeze more power out of this. There's no question. Cut it. Oh. All right, we're on the rollers. We need to get RPM signal.
All right, as you can see, they're getting the fans fired up. The engine is in the back, or it's a mid-engine vehicle, so we got to keep this engine cool. We're going to keep the lid up. We're going to get as much airflow as possible, and we're going to get preliminary dyno numbers.
I ran 355, that's not bad. .355 to the wheels on a stock factory ECU map. I did some rough calculations,
and I need to do more research, but let's configure a 15% drive loss with the Porsche. Could be 10%. It is mid-engine. There's less rotating and moving parts compared to a Mustang with the engine in the front, getting the power to the back. But even at a 15% drive loss, you're looking at 415 crank horsepower. So it's possible this engine's putting out about 415 to 400 crank horsepower and probably getting 350 to 355 rear wheel horsepower. We're getting about 355 horsepower to the wheels. So I don't know. I think it'll make over 400 on. There's some other things coming down the road that we're gonna do to get this over 500 rear wheel horsepower, naturally aspirated, but that's a surprise coming up. We're gonna head back to Eddie's once Fabspeed has a few days or possibly even a week to comb through the data. Comment down below, let me know what you think. Are we gonna crack 400 rear wheel horsepower? I didn't have a chance. Really? Wow. That right. GT4. Yeah. So it's a flat six. All the power is up top. No torque down low. And you're a twin turbo, so you got all that torque down low.
Before this, I was all into swapping. I used to have a little Cressida.
Oh yeah.
1JZ.
Oh.
And I was like, you know what? All this money, I want to get something like nice, luxury.
Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous, and the color just accentuates the lines so much. No, you have so much torque. It was like I saw 3 car links immediately as soon as we started because there's so much torque in this thing down low. Oh, it's just gorgeous. Right.
I get this.
You know what? This is a little bit louder in terms of the color, and you know, it's more for track driving. All the power's up top. You know, you really wind it up above 6,000. That's where the thing puts you back in your seat. But from a dig or from a roll race, you'd get me at any mile per hour. Yeah, dude, there's not a lot of torque in that thing.
I haven't really pushed the limit on this, but I know the pops and everything.
Oh,
it's amazing.
The burbles and the just the way this thing accelerated. Is this all-wheel drive?
No, this is rear-wheel drive.
This thing hooked.
Mercedes needs to do all-wheel drive on this, I swear.
It hooked. To me, it hooked like it looked like it had all-wheel drive because it just hooked and went. Yeah, I couldn't believe it. I thought I'd have a little better chance. And I saw how fast you were going, man. I was like, oh no. I mean, after like second gear, I was like, there's no way. There's no way I'm gonna catch up to you. Oh, this is just gorgeous.
Before this, I was dealing a little XSC Camry.
Right.
So a lot of people, I guess, because the XSC Camry has the little flares and everything, they look like a sporty car.
Right.
And a lot of people used to just come next to me and try to taunt me, and I'm like, no. Dude,
right.
They're like,
this...
I'm not gonna go nowhere with this.
Oh my
now
gosh.
This, I want them to taunt me with this now.
No, you know what? From a dig or from a roll race, you've got people. Oh my gosh, look at the inside. Wow. Oh, this is gorgeous. Congratulations, man. This is incredible. Oh my gosh.
You want to drive it?
You know, I'm actually headed back to work. For the record, you said this was 4,100 pounds?
4,100 pounds.
Okay, and 503 horsepower?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm about 3118 with a full tank of gas. About 3,118 pounds full tank of gas, and I'm 415 crank right now. So you still got me in a straight line. There's no
I got
way.
you in a straight line. This is my YouTube channel.
Every time I'm out with this car, the helicopter flies over. I swear to God, I'm not kidding. Every single time I'm out, there's always a helicopter out. All right, so we're gonna mark this occasion. Andy found me, and it's been meant to be. We're gonna collaborate. We're gonna do something with our cars. You're gonna see this beautiful V8 bi-turbo in future uploads. And on Andy's channel, you're gonna see that yellow Porsche and maybe a few other cars, but it was meant to be. This is awesome. Gotta love the fandom of cars.
subscribe now. You're not going to want to miss what we're doing to this GT4. We've got plenty of surprises down the road. Our Boss 302 is... Our Boss 302 just finished getting a new clutch in at Galpin Autosports. We can't wait to try that out on the track. We have a lot left to do on that car as well too. And we've got some other surprises with the vehicles in our garage. Hit the subscribe button. Hit that like button. Let YouTube know you like what's going on. You like what's going on. You want everyone else to see what's going on here. And if you don't, just hit the like button anyway.
Public access. One strike and you're out.